Hey, what's up guys, it's Daniel. I'm here home alone, I'm bored, so I figured I'd make another YouTube video. I have an ordinary stapler from Swingline in my hand. Nothing unusual about either one, but I'm gonna staple my hand and see what happens. Ready? Ow! Crap, that hurt. Ow! Apparently that hurts. Hey, my staple didn't even come all the way up. Well, gotta do it again. Damn, no. No. Maybe I'm not doing it hard enough. So, one last time. Ready? Ow, crap, that still hurts. Ow, fuck. Well, I guess I can't do the stapler thing. Oh well, maybe next time. Enjoy.